First, open Google Chrome and select your preferred user profile to launch the browser. In the Google search bar, type Deezer and press enter. Click on the official Deezer website from the search results to open it. Once on the Deezer homepage, open the browser's main menu by clicking the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Navigate down to More Tools and select Developer Tools. Inside the Developer Tools panel, look at the top menu bar and click on the Application tab. In the left-hand sidebar under the Storage section, expand Cookies and click on the https://www.deezer.com URL. In the cookies list, search for the cookie named ARL. Click on it, copy its complete token string from the cookie value preview pane at the bottom, and close the Developer Tools. Now open Notepad on your PC and paste the copied ARL token directly into the blank document to save it temporarily. Next, minimize the windows and launch the Deemix application. While it loads, type out your promotional text or tutorial notes in the Notepad document. Go back to the Deemix interface and click on Settings in the left sidebar. Check the box that says Use ARL instead, paste your copied ARL token into the input field, and click Force Update ARL to log into your premium account. Scroll down within the Settings menu until you reach the Download section. Open the Preferred Bitrate drop-down menu, change the quality setting to MP3 320 kilobits per second, and click Save. Go back to the Home tab or use the search feature in Deemix. Browse through the popular playlists and add your desired music tracks to the download queue. Open your Windows File Explorer and navigate to your music download directory. Locate the downloaded track, right-click on it, and open its properties. Switch to the Details tab under Properties to verify the audio quality. As you can see, the bitrate is correctly set to 320 kilobits per second. Finally, head back to Notepad to wrap up the text presentation for your viewers. If you want to get a private premium ARL, I have one available for $5. Payment methods, PayPal and Binance. To contact me, I'll leave my Telegram link in the description.